Hi, it's Yvonne here from Calabria Property Services, and we're here today in Torremezzo starting a new project with our build team, and we're completely renovating a terrace. The terrace actually is at my house, which does pose a few problems because the house is round. It was built in a Trullo style, as the architect at the time in the early 80s when it was built was from Puglia, so use that style to influence the architecture of the properties. So at the moment they've just started the demolition of the terrace, and as you can see it's going to be a big area. It's approximately 200 square metres. So they've started with the demolition today, which obviously will take a little bit of time, but we'll show you as we go along. And here we have the surveyor, which is going to keep an eye on them to make sure that they're doing it correctly. Okay, as I said, because the house is round, it does pose a few challenges, and the entrance road or the access road to the property is above the house. So we have quite a few steps that come down from the gates to the property. So getting rid of all the debris and the rubble and the tiles is a little bit of a challenge. So they spent yesterday constructing a hoist system so that they can hoist all the rubble up and wheel it out through the gates to the road at the top where it will be removed. So this is the access road that comes into the residence, and as you can see our gates are here, and they've now actually finished the hoist system, and this is where they'll be bringing the rubbish to, leaving all the debris here, and then obviously it'll be removed.